Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of technology with the Motorola edge60 Fusion. This sleek and powerful device is packed with features that will surely impress you. So, let's unbox and explore the Motorola edge60 Fusion together. First up, let's talk about the processor. The Motorola edge60 Fusion is equipped with the powerful Snapdragon 870 chipset, ensuring smooth and efficient performance. Next, let's discuss the design. This device boasts a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 144 Hz refresh rate and 240 Hz touch sampling rate, delivering an immersive and responsive user experience. Moving on to storage, the Motorola edge60 Fusion comes with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, providing ample space for all your apps and files. The device also supports 5G connectivity, ensuring fast and reliable internet access. Now, let's talk about the battery. The Motorola edge60 Fusion is powered by a 4000 mAh battery, which should provide a full day of usage on a single charge. And if you need a quick boost, the device supports 30W fast charging. Moving on to the camera, the Motorola edge60 Fusion features a triple camera setup with a 108MP primary sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 2MP macro lens. The front-facing camera is a 32MP sensor, perfect for selfies and video calls. Finally, let's talk about gaming performance. The Motorola edge60 Fusion is designed to handle the most demanding games, thanks to its high-performance chipset and immersive display. So, there you have it, folks. The Motorola edge60 Fusion is a powerful and feature-packed device that's sure to impress. Thanks for joining us on this tech adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech updates. Until next time, stay tech savvy.